Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge. NVSR 172 Hoover Dam Access Road. Parking entrance. Walking entrance. Plaques tell the story of the bridge construction, which was completed in 2010. The bridge is a short hike up this hill. The hill is equipped with stairs and ramps.
That's a ways up. Maybe I need my walker. Nah, I can do it. I'm even going to brave the stairs all the way up. No problem. Oh yeah, sure, I'm fine. You all go ahead. I'll catch up. Yep, I'm climbing. I can do this. Stalling while I let people pass. The pain is starting to get to me. Okay, that's it. I can't do the stairs. I should have brought my walker.
Four-lane highway Interstate 11, US 93 extends over bridge. For those who need to rest after the climb, there are a couple of small seating areas.
I need a break. I am going to sit right here next to this gentleman. I'm just going to rest for a minute, then I will catch up. Time to get up. Don't really like heights, but I never let fear get in my way.
This side of the bridge is the Nevada border. Official name of this bridge, Michael Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. named after the 23rd governor of Nevada and an Arizona NFL football player who was killed in combat in Afghanistan.
I'm only walking to the middle, no desire to go all the way to the end. Holding onto the rail, I wish I had that much faith in construction.
The bridge is suspended over the Black Canyon, with the Colorado River running through the middle.
My hips and back are aching. I know the waddle walk is not good for the camera on my head.
The end of the bridge is the Arizona border.
There is the dam, at last. Anxiety is tricking me into thinking I am going too far on this bridge. Ugh. Short break. You can do this. Sorry, but I am plowing through this family. I'm not getting close to the rail. It's not that I think the bridge will fall. When I get close to any high edge, I feel the pull of gravity like it's going to suck me over. I see them, almost there.
Oversized vehicles can view them as they pass on the bridge, but view is blocked by tall cement barriers for smaller vehicles. The bridge expands 1,900 feet across the Black Canyon and is 1,500 feet south of the Hoover Dam.
Time for a selfie.
Visitors often stop along the path to take pictures, so be sure to bring patients along with you.
This kind lady saw me struggling on the way up the hill. As she passed, she congratulated me for making it this far. I think my fam moved further down the bridge. They were just right there. Finally. Beautiful. LOL. He slowly inched over. It runs in the family.
Lake Mead rests to the south of the dam. The two intake towers on each side of the dam take in water that is used to generate electricity. Just below the dam are the powerhouses for Nevada and Arizona. Hoover Dam provides energy to 3 states: Arizona, 19%, Nevada, 23%, California, 58%.
I couldn't zoom in to make a video, so these are my still pictures.
Let's take a closer look at this National Historic Landmark. There is an observation deck at the dam, but view of the entire dam is best from the bridge.
That little building is dangling off the edge of a cliff. I could never.
Visitors can walk along the top of the dam. There are also tours for inside the dam.
When my kids were little, we walked on that side of the dam. That was the only way to see the dam at that time. At that time, that street on top of the dam ran all the way across to Arizona. Now it's a dead end. Just think, someone has to climb that slanted ladder for maintenance. My fam decided to go to walk to the other end, not me. As I walk back to Nevada, I say a prayer of appreciation for all those who work on the dam and the bridge, both past and present.